So guys, today is like one of the happiest days in my life. It's really crazy, and I'm just so happy. Now you want to ask what is making me happy, and this is it. I've actually gotten the ring light. Like the ring light was part of the thing I want to achieve this year. I want to get a laptop, get a ring light set up, make my setup. So I've actually gotten one thing, which is the ring light, and this was me at the shop where I went to buy the ring light, and I'm just so happy right now. I finally gotten the ring light, and right now I'm about to upgrade my studio, my setup, so that I can be dropping content back to back to back to back to back, so you guys can be seeing me live streaming, going on live, analyzing. We all analyze it together, because this is what I want this channel to be doing. As I motivate you, I'll also, on the chat also, we all gonna analyze together. Let's see where the market is going to go next, and where the market, what's going to happen next. All those kind of things is just what I want the channel to be all about. So I'm just so happy right now that I've gotten one thing. Now I made some analysis on GBP, sorry, Nikki Japan, and I also made some analysis on US 30. These two pairs are my most focused pair right now in my watch list. This is the only two pair I focus on right now, because that's what works very well for me. And one thing you should know, that whatever works for you is what you should be focused on. It's not all about trading a lot of pairs. The thing is that, are you really making money? Is that pair really making money? So if indices is what makes money for you, then I will advise you to go for indices. Whatsoever thing that makes money for you, I'll always advise you to go for it, because yeah, we are not here for competition, we are all here to make money. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go to the chart and let me show you my analysis. Okay guys, good morning, good evening, depending on you're seeing this video. So this is a Nikkei Japan. Those of you know about who don't know about Nikkei Japan, Nikkei Japan is actually an index. So it's actually an Asian section kind of a pair, but it's volatile also when it comes to New York session, because New York session influences a lot of pairs when it's open. So first of all, and as you can see on the chart, these are the trade I've taken previously, and I've also closed out. Now the one that smashed TP, the one that I closed in break even, and the ones that hit my SL. Now if you take a close look at this level here, sorry, read that straight. So if you take a close look at this point here, you will realize that the market, I took a buy at this point, which I closed out at this point. When I saw the reversal, I see market reversing, so I had to close. So if you look also at this point, I took a buy here, which later smashed XL at this point. And at this point, I actually went against my rules and it smashed XL. And I also took a buy here. I think it was that same day I took a buy here, which I smashed TP to cover up the loss. So, and we also have the next day where I took trade as well. So I took a buy here and I closed out at this point after seeing some reversal signal. Then I took a sell here and I later closed out after seeing some reversal signal to the upside. So that was just it. So now what are we expecting now on Nikkei Japan? Now first of all, we have a very strong support level. If you go to a 4-hour time frame, you see that this level price have been reacting to it several times, which is from this point. If you look at from this point here, you can see market reaction, and market has been really finding it difficult to break. Market left this point, market after went going up, market now came back here again. What the think market is going to do, coming back to this same point again, I'm believing market is going to buy from this point here. Market is going to buy from this point here and will push to the upside. Now we already know what the market is about to do, so if I want to take advantage of the market move to the downside, I think I will just want to, but if I want to take advantage, we have a strong level here. But I want to take advantage of the market, I'll have to wait for market doing something like this. Should come back here, then I'll take a sell from this point, TP at this point, then I'm out. Then I'll be looking to buy from this point to the upside. This is exactly what I'm looking at for on Nikkei Japan. I'm looking for a drop to happen on Nikkei Japan, then we buy. You can see I've already made my analysis here. You can see I already made my analysis. Look at this arrow and look at this arrow. I already made my analysis. The market has to either reverse from this point to the upside, or market will get here, then we buy to the upside. Now let's move straight forward to US 30. Now US 30, first of all, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. From the 4-hour time frame, price was actually Price made a 2 weeks consolidation, and the third week there was some kind of move to the downside out of the range. Price break out of this range here. Market breaks out of this range. We have a range here, a 2 weeks range at this point, and this third week price break out of the range, and you see what price is doing here right now. And what the T market might do again, there might be something like this, but at the same time we have a very strong psychological level at this point here, a very strong psychological level at this point. So what do you think might happen at this point here? Because if you go back, you realize that the market has been really reacting to this particular level here. If we should check back, here, reaction, 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 and what do you think is going to happen here is going to be a reaction to the upside. So I'm believing US 30 to push up, guys. I'm believing a push up on US 30. Then this level here is a very significant point where we are looking to take profits on US 30 if we enter this 49,500, because if you look closely you see how market have been reversing whenever it comes to 49,500. You can see, so we are hoping here to push up to this point on US 30. So this is what I'm looking at for US 30, push to the upside from that point. I'm seeing some kind of a come down here, but that's by the way. I'm still believing price to just do what it has to do, something like this, or maybe just market might just do something like this, and you will see this is how it to go. So this is what I'm expecting on US 30. So guys, this is all what I have for you on today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you want to know the broker I use, it's also in the bio.